Done. Nice fitting. Let's see what's inside. Got nice package. So this for the spets holder for Virtus. So as many of you know, for Virtus Highline we will not get any holder. So I ordered this. I'll show you how it's. Let me try to fix it and I'll show you how it's came. So now we came to our car. So this is how it fits here. We need to try to remove this. So you can see currently it's dummy. I'm using something like this. It's a plastic one, so it will not damage any parts. So use something like this. So I just flipped it. It came. It's very easy. This is how it is. So now we have to remove this part, this cover. This cover we need, and we have to keep it here. I see there is a color change, but it's okay. Remove this again. We have clips like this, so we can just unplug and remove it. So this is what I removed from this. We have to keep it here, so it fits perfectly. So here I'm just that's it. Perfect fitting, and we'll add this one. Done. Nice fitting. You have to pick the right color, but otherwise it's fine. Hope you like the video. If you have any queries, please feel free to comment. Thanks for watching.